here's how we can add the subscribe button to YouTube Shorts on the iPhone. And let me explain and show you what options we have available. And if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, most definitely get your YouTube Shorts ready. And you, of course, before you publish it, it's likely that you want to perform some edits to it. Like you need to perhaps put together a couple of different frames, or depends on the project, but you will likely need a video editor, and there are more of them with the different features. I like to use CapCut. I keep mentioning that in my videos, but the point is that it has plenty of features. It is initially free to download with, some paid features, so you can decide if you want to get those or not. But one of the cool things about it is that there are these stickers which you can add, right? So you can just see it at the bottom here. So you can click on the stickers and look up something that you are interested in. So perhaps we can click on or type in the text saying subscribe, and it's going to give us so many options. Like, it's like these animated things, even the red subscribe buttons, and you can add it. It's going to be like an overlay, which you can make larger, smaller. You can apply some effects to it, right? So it's actually working very well because it is animated. You can even add more motion to it with the keyframes. So I think that it gets the job done very well. Like, it is one of the cool things about it. So yeah, that's kind of how I could do this. I would just run it through the app before I export it and publish it on YouTube. But let me know if you managed to find it, if it worked for your device as well. From me, that's going to be about it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.